Hellcat.
Hi there. What we're going to do today is we're going to check this fuse box and check all the fuses to see if there's any breaks in them without having to remove them from the panel. We complete this process by setting our multimeter to audio setting, so the multimeter will make a noise if the connection is good and won't make a noise if the connection is broken. The positive lead stays in the home's connection and negative stays in its usual position. The manual setting is on audio, as you can see. Now it's just a case of going through this fuse box, touching the top of each fuse. It doesn't matter which way round you have the negative and positive, and all you are listening out for is the buzzing sound. If the multimeter doesn't buzz, there's a break in one of the fuses. This is just a quick, simple way so you don't have to remove every fuse from the panel. As you can see, all these fuses are good. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hope this has saved you some time. God bless and safe riding, guys.
Hellcat.